How to fix no sound problem in Windows PC, Windows 10 or Windows 11. Follow this process, guys, to fix it. The first thing you have to do is to be sure that your Windows PC has the latest driver of the sound, which is very paramount. And to do that is very simple. Come to this start button, right click here, then click on device manager. Scroll on to get to sound, video and game controller, expand it. You have different sound controller here. You need to update this one after the other. Right click on Intel display audio, click on update driver, click on search for automatic driver, and if the base driver for update has been installed, then close this. Repeat the same process for all other drivers here, like this one. Click on the drivers, then click on search for automatic, and if that has been installed, is okay. This one as well, click on it, update driver, search for automatic, and if that has been installed, then click on okay. And if you install this and you've tried it's not working, then here is what you need to do. Come back to this place, click on it again, click on update driver. This time around, search for browse my computer for update driver, then click this one. Then here you have two update drivers here. Click on this one, click on next. If this update driver is on device and it's going to, then this should be able to fix this issue. Then you have to restart your system and see if that has solved this problem. That's the first thing you have to do. The next thing you have to do is very simple as well. Come to this place, type in controls panel into the space provided, then click on this control panel option to open the control panel. If your own is on the category, open it and select large icon. Click on sound here. Once you click on the sound here, then click on speaker because you are facing this speaker issue. Then click on property. Once you click on the property, it comes out like this. You can see the speaker here. Now go ahead and click on this enhancement. Once you click on the property, click on this enhancement. After that, it comes out like this. Click on this button to disable all enhancements. Once you click on this button, click on apply button here. Once you click on apply button, then click on this OK button. That will solve this problem. This leads us to the third process. Come to the system tray here, click on this button, this speaker icon. Now here you have the speaker you are using. If this button is checked, if it brings out cross icon, click on it to bring it out. Then you can as well drag this to the front and the back to say that you have the best out of it, and that should be able to fix it. And if that is not fixing it, then the last step should be able to fix it. Come to this place, type in services, then click on this services icon to open it. Once you've opened it, then here locate window audio, so you can see it is running and it's automatic. So right click on it and click on property. Now here's what you need to do. If here is not automatic, make sure it is automatic. Then once you select automatic, click on apply, click on stop, then click on start again. Or you can just come back to this place, right click and click on start, and this should be able to fix this problem of sound not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. And that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.